Good morning. This is Jack from Chartered Markets Crypto, and this is a pre-market webinar for the morning of Wednesday, the 1st of October. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing, learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to shoot rending signals. Right. Let's have a look at, pulling up the crypto charts. All right, I haven't done the monthly pivots yet, so I've done all of them on the futures, and I've done all of them on equities. I will have these on the charts by the time, and along with the new monthly pivots, by the time I get these out this morning. But obviously, first day of the month, a lot of numbers to run in the morning and update, and I'm just a little behind. All right, in terms of Bitcoin, nice move up yesterday. We had on the daily chart, we're now back over the 50 DMA at 113,500 and the 200, at the daily middle band at 114,200. So, and we're now quite confidently back above them. Waiting for closers above and some confirmation, but at the moment this is actually looking pretty bullish. The RSI 5 buy signal has reached the full signal. Full target. We've broken over this declining resistance on the 60-minute, and we didn't quite reach. We're still on an RSI 14 sell signal. It did look for a while yesterday as though this is going to reach at least the minimum miss target, but we didn't quite reach it. We may still see a bit of movement there. Obviously, next target is a retest of this high here at 118, and if we can hold these kind of levels, then I'm leaning towards seeing a retest of the highs at 124.5k. Okay, looking at Solana, didn't make it down to my obvious support level down in the 182 area, 183 now, I think, pretty much, at the 50-week moving average and the weekly middle band of 182.5 to 183. On the daily chart, we're no longer, well, there was a possibility yesterday that we'd retest the low and set up a nice RSI 5 buy signal. We've lost that opportunity, but we're now pretty much back. We're getting close to the test of the key support level here, which is the daily middle band at 22510. Break and convert that, and we open a retest to the high. On the hourly chart, we didn't have any negative divergence. In terms of this pattern here, there is an IHS here. I haven't marked it in yet, but the target for that is at about the 240 area. So that would be getting us over the daily middle band with confidence and getting back towards the retest of the high at 253. Bigger picture, I would remind you that we've got an IHS which is broken up with a target in the 282 area, and I'm still expecting that to make target. There was a lot of talk on this decline about the bull market high was in, etc. I'm not seeing any real sign of that at all. So I just dismissed that as wind, and that's what it was. Most of these people have no idea what they're talking about, and they've got no real experience in analysis. So what they say doesn't mean a lot, even when they've got an awful lot of followers. All right, Ethereum. Ethereum, we're still on a weekly RSI 5 sell signal. We didn't make it back to the obvious 3,500 target area, which was very, very attractive, but hasn't been made. Now, when does this head and shoulders invalidate? Not until we get to 47.67. Which is a long way above where we are now. But where I'm mainly looking at is the daily middle band, and we tested it overnight. We've got that at 43.42, and the overnight high was at 43.29. Break and convert that, and the 50 DMA just above it at 43.93, and then we are open. We are cleared for a retest of the high. In terms of the pattern here, is there a decent bull flag? Well, no. But we don't necessarily need one. We could go up straight from here, and I'll be watching if we get back to this level. I'll be watching the declining resistance, which I've currently got in the 4,600 area. Break over that, and I'll be looking for a retest of the all-time high. All right, great. In that case, I think that's a wrap. Catch everyone tomorrow morning. By the time I have these out this morning, I will have the all the monthly pivots updated, and I'll be sending out the monthly pivots as a spreadsheet as usual. All right, everyone, take care. See you tomorrow.